Here's my compost bin. So everything in here from the kitchen goes into this bin. Tea bags, weeds, everything. Give it a good turn over, constantly turning it as often as I can. And you can see the worms in there already. There's loads of worms. It's great. All working away, doing their little bits. Absolutely amazing. And again, keep turning the compost. You can see the worms working their magic. Close up. Absolutely hundreds and thousands of worms in this compost heap. The longer it goes on, eventually it turns into this compost, and I can use that for potting up or straight onto the garden. Black, gold, amazing stuff.